Want to see something really crazy? Okay, first, this is the old Cereus peruvanius flower. It fell off after just like a couple of days after it bloomed. Remember that story, like about, I think it's called the monkey paw. It's about a monkey paw, a bad luck monkey paw. That's what this reminds me of, but check it out. I was like, what the heck is going on where it fell off? And I realized that is the stigma. Like, it's so floppy and weird. Yeah, you can see that used to be that big, right in the middle of the flower. And it came right out like Play-Doh factory style or something. I don't know. It's so weird. And it feels really fresh and wiggly. It's not like wet or sticky, just so you know. And this, I believe, is going to be our next one to open. This is the one that finished 2 nights ago. And then we got another big one on the way, right there. And then probably these will be happening a few days behind the others. I just thought that was so weird. And now that I know what it is, it's even weirder. It's so cool.